Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy here coming at you with another dividend investing video. First of all, I want to say happy Friday, end of the week. Today we're closing down, but that is okay. We've been down for the past few days, so I'm getting kind of used to seeing red. So when we see green again, I'll be celebrating a little. So today we're down about $180 or 1.08% of the portfolio. For the week, we're down $399. On the month, we're down $578. On the 3 month mark, we're up 1,000. On the year, we're up 2,084. All time, excuse me, sorry. All time, I don't know why that happened. All time, we're up almost 2 grand. So still up over 13% for all time, 14 for a year, and still almost 7% for the 3 month mark. So we're still doing phenomenal. Let's go through the individual stock performance. So Ultra is at $50 today, 25 cents, 31-cent loss. We have 98 shares, about $4,900 in the stock. 45.30 is our average cost. We have about 30% of the portfolio in Altria. This is one of those positions I'm going to try to trim down. Today we lost $30 or 0.61%. Total, we are up $484.77 or 10.9%. Coca-Cola is next, lost 15 cents today. We have 17 shares, about $980 of equity. 51.10 is our average cost, about 6% of the portfolio. Today we lost $2.55 or 0.26%. Total, we're up $111.88 or almost a 13% return on investment. Next, we have AT&T. 62 shares, about $2,400 in the stock. 31.10 is our average cost, about 15% of the portfolio. 14.5 to 15% of the portfolio is in AT&T stock. Today we're down $11 or 0.47% or almost half a percent. Total, we're up $455.72 or almost a 24% return on investment. Sorry about that. Next, we have AbbVie. Closed negative $1.73. We have 60 shares, about a little over $5,000 of equity in AbbVie stock. 72.22 is the average cost. I got this one really low. 30.3% of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock. This, just like Altria, is what I'm going to trim down with dividend reinvestment. Next, we are down $106 or 2%. Total, we're up $676 or 15.6%. Next, we have Tanger Factory Outlets at 15.53. We're down 86 cents today. We have 5 shares, almost $80 of equity. 15.29 is our average cost, about 0.5% of the portfolio. 0.5% of the portfolio is in SKT Tanger Factory Outlets. Today we're down $4.30. Or 5.25%. Total, we're up $1.18 or 1.54%. Next, we've got Target. Target's down $1.21 per share. We have about $1,200 of equity in Target stock. Average cost is $87.68. We have almost 7% of the portfolio in Target stock. We're down $12.10 or 1%. Total, we're up $266.42 or 30.39%. Next, we have ExxonMobil. This one I'm used to it being down. We lost 45 cents today. We have 29 shares, almost 2 grand in equity. 73.50 is our average cost. 11.66% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil stock. Today, we're down 13.05. A little bit over 0.5%. Total, we're down $208.24 or 9.77%. And lastly, to close it all off, we have Walgreens at $51.90. Today we lost $1.26 during the market, and then after it closed, we lost another 14 cents. So about $1.40 down today. We only have 1 share. Equity value is $51.90. Average cost is $54.60. So this would be one that would be very good to buy right now for my portfolio anyway, because we're down so much. Today we are down $1.40. As it said, we only have 1 share. Total, we're down $270, negative 4.95%. So I'm pretty excited about the portfolio. I know it's been kind of a rocky road as of late. As you can see, we've been down, but that's not a big deal because, again, we're long-term investors here. I'm a long-term investor. We look at the long term, so we're still doing phenomenal in the long term. So thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to do a quicker update today. Remember to hit that subscribe button when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any YouTube content from that dividend guy. I post Monday through Friday about my portfolio. I try to do a video on the weekends as well. So remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss any content. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.